Alright, we just filled up the tank with gas, ready for our first church. Should be in Sonoya area, I think. Anyway, let's get into this ride.
Notice how a place don't really leave you? I mean, you can drive 1,000 miles, see bigger cities, brighter lights. But there's something about small town, a summer night thick enough to feel. That's just how it was for me in West Georgia, back where I'm from. Time didn't move fast, it just moved right. Front porch screen door slamming in the heat, barefoot running down an old clay street. Mama calling from the yard at dusk. Fireflies rising like they're one of us. Old church bell on a Sunday morning, a wrinkled suit that I always wore. Didn't know then what I know now, but I swear I can still hear that sound. It's the pines and the wind and the fields rolling wide. Sweet tea sweat in the slow sunset sky. Where the past ain't gone, it just waits on you. In a town where everybody knows your roots. Yeah, I've been gone.
Alright, we got Night Rider doing real well. Alright, let's take a quick look at Night Rider here. In front of our first church we're at. So this is how it's supposed to work. We hold our sign with a Grand Tour of Georgia passport with our name on it, with our bike and the church in the background. So this is what I'm riding right here, a 2021 Honda Goldwing DCT tour bike. I am part of the Patriot Guard Riders of Georgia. I am a U.S. Army veteran. So alright guys, church number 1 out of the books. We're ready for church number 2. We'll see you in a few.
Let go. It's the pines and the wind and the fields rolling wide. Sweet tea sweat in a slow sunset sky. Where the past ain't gone, it just waits on you. In a town where everybody knows your roots. Yeah, I've been gone, but it's still in me. That Georgia dirt runs deep as it can be. No matter how far these roads may go, there ain't no leaving. No, there ain't no leaving where you grow. Yeah.
guys, we just made it to Olive Branch United Methodist Church. This is my second church in a series of 26 churches in rural Georgia that we're going to go visit. So what we're supposed to do again, have the church up in the background, bike there, and then hold my sign with my name on it. The bike's still looking good. They have this little water features thing here. It says, "To the glory of God, in honor and memory of Worth and Eleanor McKinley."
Let's go. Fired up. Sun coming up, bike wound up, boot on the peg, I don't give a. Heading north, feel that road, Georgia road got my soul. Hit Georgia 400, cruising clean, little bit dirty, know what I mean. Ride, 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 North Georgia side. Ride, 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 let that motor glide. Ride, 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 keep it low and slow. North Georgia boogie. Let it roll.
Alright guys, we're at Sardis Methodist Church, number 3 church of the day. Let's go check it out.
Georgia 60 starting to twist.
Alright, this is Sardis Methodist Church, and let's do our little thing with the paper. Well, let's hold it in different hands, make it look a little better. Church here, paper here. And of course, you put the paper back. But, alright, not right, still doing good. Oh, and I forgot to add, there is a cemetery across the street. And if you notice from the pines here, you have Spanish moss starting to grow from all the pines. So we are that far in South Georgia.
Hold up. Listen to that engine.
All right, guys, off to the next church.
That's that mountain music right there.
This a pickle. I must have put the wrong address into my GPS because I came back to my second church I was at. So now I'm back at Olive Branch Church. Well, crap. Anyway, added some more riding to the adventure, I guess. Well, I was supposed to put Pineville Church in there, but I guess somehow I put Mount Olive Church back in there. Anyway, Pineville Church is another hour south of me, and I'm heading back to my house north, so I'm not going to take that 2-hour detour. So I still have 2 hours to get back home. So anyway, that's what we're going to do, is head back to the house. So I guess instead of 4 churches today, we only wound up with 3.
Let that old town show, then hit Helen lights, cruising through.